If you're someone who suffers with bunions and you're looking for some pain relief, I've got a great recipe for you. This is a pain relief, a bunion essential oil blend that you're gonna love. You can mix this up at home with easy ingredients and massage right on that bunion. Let's look at this recipe now. And this is an essential oil recipe that you can use to actually rub on your feet, and great if you've got corns, calluses, dry feet, cracked skin, but this is my bunion recipe. So all you're gonna do is get some castor oil, and castor oil you're gonna mix 2 tablespoons. So I'm not gonna measure it out, I'm just gonna mix it into my little dish here of that castor oil, which is fantastic. And then you're gonna use some essential oil. So these are my favorites for bunions specifically because the lavender is one of them. 10 drops of lavender essential oil, and get a high quality lavender. Some essential oils not so good in terms of their quality because they don't use the full oil of the lavender. So you have to spend a little bit more money, but that's normal in anything, I think, that you've got to, if you want to get the best. So that lavender, 10 drops, is very soothing to your nervous system. And I'm trying to talk and count at the same time. Did I get it? 10 drops, there we go. And it also has the effect of really softening those harder and more callous tissues. So this is great in terms of the lavender. 10 drops of frankincense essential oil. Now frankincense is really interesting because it is known to actually break down scar tissue, breaks down, not so healthy tissues, tumors and things. I love frankincense. So you're gonna do 10 drops of frankincense, mixing this in to your castor oil. So just mix it in with your finger. And then you could keep this in a little jar. It's completely up to you because you're not gonna use all of this mixture at once, but then you're just going to rub that. So imagine I had a bunion here. You're just going to rub that into that bunion area all around that joint. If you do have the calluses forming on the foot, then you're going to rub that in really well. Massage, massage, massage. So take 5-10 minutes. If at the end of the day you can start your day like this as well, or in the middle of the day, it helps to soften your skin, but also the castor oil is improving that circulation in the area. If you wanted to put like a hot water bottle on this area as well to help for that penetration of the castor oil, that's fantastic as well. And you will love that recipe. I hope you try this recipe, and I know that you're gonna love it. Let me know how it goes for you. And for another great essential oil recipe, please check out my video, Hair Loss Essential Oil Recipe. I'll see you there.